Today we are going to learn a very simple and profitable strategy. We will also see how to select stocks for this strategy with Chartink scanner. In order to understand this strategy, let us first understand the candlestick structure. The body represents the open and close price of an asset. In a bullish market, the close will be above the open, and in the bearish market, the close will be below the open. The shadows represent the high and low of a price for a given period. The upper shadow shows the highest point and lower shadow shows the lowest point touched by the price. The color of the body shows the direction of price movement. Usually, a green body suggests a price increase and a red body points to a price decline. Open equals to low strategy refers to an intraday trading strategy wherein a buy signal is generated when any stock has the same price for open as well as low. We will use this candlestick pattern for stock selection. We will find stocks whose previous day open is equals to low on the daily time frame with the help of Chartink scanner. Please watch the video till the end where we will show you how to make the scanner. Now let's see how to enter the trade after selecting the stock for trading. Once the stock has been selected, mark the high of the candle on the daily time frame. Change the time frame to 5 minutes once the high has been marked. We will wait for the first 15 minutes candle to close above previous day high which we marked earlier. We will use 15 minutes rang breakout entry technique to enter the trade. As we are using 5 minutes time frame, mark the high of 3 5 minutes candles. Enter the trade as soon as any candle breaks the high of 15 minutes candle. Keep the stop loss at the swing low or day's low. Take 1:2 profit or more. Do not forget to keep the stop loss in the system to protect your capital from any unexpected movement. Now let's see how to make the Chartink scanner for selecting the stocks. We will select the stocks after 9:30 a.m. and add them in our watch list. Go to chartink.com, create your profile and login. Click on Create Scan. Change the segment from cash to futures. Now click on the plus sign to add filter. Here we are creating a filter for open equals to low day candle. Click on the plus sign to add another filter. We want the first 15 minutes candle to close above previous day high. We have added all the conditions we want for stock selection. Click on Save Scan to save the scan. Enter a name for the scan, and click Submit. Scanner is ready to use. In order to trade this strategy successfully, we will follow some entry rules. Breakout should happen with a strong candle and should not have a long wick on the upper side as it shows selling pressure. Always watch the volume of the breakout candle. Volume should increase as compared to the previous candles. The stock or asset you are trading should be in the uptrend. We can confirm that by using 20 moving average. Plot the 20 moving average on the 1-hour chart of the stock you are trading. The previous day's last 1-hour candle should close above 20 moving average.